you all are enjoying your good health and doing well in your studies. Now, it's time to do some revision as we have completed lot much from the syllabus. So in this module, dear children, you are going to do the revision of History Chapter 9. So let's begin. Let us see some short question answers.
In short question answers, number 1 question is, write the names of some new machineries and technologies. Flying shuttle loom, spinning jenny, water frame, steam engines, etc. are the examples. Second question, when and where did Industrial Revolution begin? As we all know, Industrial Revolution began in England in 18th century. Next question, who designed flying shuttle? Flying shuttle was designed by John Kay in 1733. And the last question is, who invented water frame, which is very common and very easy question. It was invented by Richard Arkwright in 1769. These type of short question answer may come in the form of MCQ, where it will be very scoring for you when you get options.
Now it's time to see some long question answer.
So very important and common question which always comes in the exam from this chapter in long question answer is, which factors were responsible for Industrial Revolution in England? Explain. So children, as we all know, there were several factors which were really responsible for the Industrial Revolution in England, but we have to mention the common one and the popular one. So let's begin with the first point, that is natural resource. If you have seen the videos, you might have observed that England was rich with coal mines and iron mines. So we will start with this word. There were plenty of natural resources like iron and coal in England, and these resources are essential for the industries. From iron ore, several products were being made, whereas coal is used in the form of fuel in the industrial areas. So in this manner, we have covered the first factor, that is natural resource. Now we need to think about the second factor. So children, here we need to be very specific and particular about our words and sentence. We need not to write big history. Answer must be short and crispy. So here in this subheading, we can mention the traders of Britain had established good trading relation with the neighboring countries since long time, and they were quite affluent. So they were successful in doing any kind of business in which they exchanged and started the medium of exchange as money or different type of currencies, which helped to promote their industrial revolution. So here we have written the crispy points only, that traders of Britain had established a good trading relation with the neighboring countries since from long, and they were quite affluent, so they were successful in doing any kind of business. Now comes the third factor. So third factor is climatic condition. So as we all know, Britain had favorable condition for establishing the industries. So here we can begin with this sentence. The climate for the Britain is humid because of it is located near to the sea area. Now, it is also one of the factor for the Industrial Revolution. Now, let us move towards the fourth point. Here we get one more valid point, that is the control upon colonies. As we have seen the past history of British, that British had many colonies, and why they have established these colonies, so that they can get raw material as well as they can get the marketplace where they can sell their finished goods in high prices. Now, in this way we can mention in proper language or specific word that British had established large number of new colonies from where it could get cheap raw material and could also serve as a market to sell the finished goods. Now, they could sell their products in these colonies. Now, fifth point is shipping industry. Shipping industry of England was much developed. Those ships, they could do business in proper way. They could now transport the things from far off the countries and also sell their products in the market. Moving towards the sixth point, that is foreign trade. As we all know, British has established the trading relation with the other countries, that is called as foreign trade, so that they can progress towards the Industrial Revolution and expand their business. So let us see the point. Foreign trade. The British had established their trade relation with the other countries. Though this, they were able to expand their business. Foreign trade was also one of the main factors of Industrial Revolution. Now comes the last point, that is innovative ideas. It is fact that Britishers had developed innovative ideas towards the progress of Industrial Revolution. They discovered several new machines and invented different type of machineries which could increase the manufacturing and the goods in short span of time. So in this way we can mention under in this heading that British had developed innovative ideas. That's why they made new discoveries, and that is one of the main causes of the Industrial Revolution. In this way we have covered all the factors which are responsible for the Industrial Revolution in England. So children, one of the long question we have discussed.
After covering short question answers and long question answers in grade 11 in history, without map it is incomplete to understand the concept. So here let's begin some map skills.
By taking one example, let us solve on a map of Britain, and we have to mark and locate the following cotton textile manufacturing areas. Places are Newcastle, Nottingham, Birmingham, Glasgow, Lancaster and London. Have close look upon all these indicated places. All these are according to the question which were discussed. Now you will be able to locate all these easily if you have seen this map properly.